seven.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Lojani Nkunku, professor of university, professor of nuclear medicine, nuclear and atomic medicine, professor of journalism, press and alternative media, professor of social foundation of law, professor of management, natural resources management. We are the first doctor of philosophy in international petroleum, minerals and energy. We are doctor of gold, doctor of diamond, doctor of aluminium, the world in mineral, So we are doctor of gold, aluminium. We are doctor of niobium. Niobium, these are rare minerals that you put in the wing. The wing make flexible the wing of airplane. You are even if a doctor of to protect your wife, because the ring you put in the finger of your wife, you use the same ring, to marry all women with the beast. All women make, you see their finger, they are putting the ring there to marry them by force with the beast. But the same ring is in gold, the same ring is in diamond, the same ring is in argent, in silver. So I'm the doctor of this ring to protect all women that you married by force in with the beast. Today we are November 19, 2021. And also, you see, I'm fighting here. I'm fighting because they delete in all computer in Switzerland. They delete the truth that they wronged me, they did everywhere. So they delete the truth. They are saying that I'm Canadian, and where was Canada when 4 years in Kenya they were poisoning me? I don't come again because there is some friend in Kenya are supporting me. Where was Canada when they killed my mother? Obama is accountable of the death of my mother. Obama came to tell me in WhatsApp that your mother will die. So I don't care about the passport of Canada. I don't care about the passport of America. They can do. They are making many. They try to cooperate, sending Blinken everywhere, to hide the truth, pour étouffer le problème. Obama est responsable de la mort de ma mère avec Denis Sassou Nguesso. Obama était venu me dire que ta mère va mourir. Donc je m'en fous du passeport américain, je m'en fous du passeport canadien, je m'en fous du passeport suisse. Je ne peux pas, Simone Veil nous a inspiré que nous ne pouvons pas être définis par un simple passeport, une simple citoyenneté occidentale. Ma mère est tout pour moi. Il faut qu'il y ait la justice, il faut qu'on puisse clarifier, et vous n'allez pas réussir à étouffer. You are not going to succeed, to hide all this, the truth. I don't care. So I never will go to Canada when United Nations is here, when they deny all my rights. Also, you make something wrong to Elizabeth because she went to the hospital after she could not participate where we saw Charles. The Prince Charles was so sad. So there is something you are hiding to Elizabeth there. Prince Charles hide in her face. So Kate have to reveal to us, because it's very important. We saw also, thank you to China is supporting me. They are saying that I'm China. No, I'm not China. I'm China. No, I'm Congolese. I'm Congolese. succeed. I'm an international expert of United Nations. That's the matter. I will have to do business with China. That's the matter. China support us. Okay, we're going to negotiate to release this Peng Shan. We're going to negotiate to release Peng Shan, the tennis woman, because she's a friend of my sister Serena and Venus. And you know that I'm very top. The top leader of the world is still the child in the front of Serena and sister Serena and Venus. Okay, we're going to China. So China support us. The President Erdogan support us. Angela Merkel support us, and many around the world support us. We are making a letter to go to Qatar. We will attend football, the World Cup in Qatar. So today, just to tell you that today we are November 19, 2021. There is a big blackmail. There is a blackmail. There is a big conspiracy. You can put Malcolm X. People they release, kill Malcolm X. I'm not Malcolm X. I'm the Malcolm X to Black America. But in global, I'm the first doctor of all mineral. In global, I'm the international attorney of gold, petroleum, all mineral around the world. I'm the chief of all nations of natural resources. So this system of Freemason criminal organization, we will hand it. But Obama and Sassou and those who were there are accountable for my mother died. When I lose this mother, you know, I don't care about any more passport of Canada, passport or whatever, Western passport. I cannot be defined by Olympic medal, like Simone Biles said. I cannot be defined by Obama, by the American is making lie everywhere. I'm China. No. But Russia. I worked with Russia at the United Nations. My boss in Russia, in Antarctic, was from Russia. So you cannot attack everyone. Russia is not America. Someone is not refused the passport of America because America is involved in lie. Okay, despite my friend of mine, Donald Trump, despite my friend of mine, Mike Pompeo, despite my friend of mine, many friends I have there, America involved in lie. America get involved to kill the mother of the world, the natural resources exploited. So justice must be before me to live here. So you can negotiate everywhere, and I think there is a deal between people wronged me in Kenya and the people wronged me somewhere. There is a deal to me to get in Canada, and without the people knowing. I never will go to Canada. I don't care about the passport of Canada. What I care about is the reparation, the wrong they did to me, and my opportunity to serve all people voted for me around the world. I'm global hope. Because Xi Jinping, Putin, Johnson, Biden, Angela Merkel, Naftali Bennett, they cannot stand like me to say Freemasonry is a criminal organization. Freemasonry, you kill many people, die around the world. You kill million American people in COVID. You kill many, you are raping around the world. This leader they don't have a strong testicle to say that Freemasonry is a criminal organization. One by one, you have to go to jail. One by one. We have to hand impunity right now. That's what we have to do. They cannot do it. Me, I can do it. So by then, stop telling me, oh, winter will be. By then, I worked for you. I worked for you 7 years. That's what we find is to say that winter will be difficult in Switzerland because you try to call everybody not to help me. That's what Biden you are doing. Obama, you are making the third term of a presidential in America. You are illegal. You are illegal. Obama must be arrested because there is no nomination of Obama. There is no nomination. You are not a vice president. It's Kamala is a vice president. You are nowhere, and you're still killing. You are not the director of FBI. You are using mercenary and FBI. So you have to be arrested because you are exerting American function illegally. Okay, to Dr. Mumbi, don't buy all this. What they are telling you to Dr. Mumbi. Be a good woman, stand for the right things, okay? It doesn't matter where they put you. I will come to take you to protect you when I reach to New York, to protect you, okay? Dr. Mumbi Kikuyu woman. That's what the message we have. We ask to all people to stand against the impunity, to stand against. We people have to go in the way of health, justice for all, prosperity for all, security for all. That's what I will ensure you when I get to New York. Thank you so much. This is Professor Lojani Senkunku. I'm in Geneva, in headquarters of United Nations. Thank you. Thank you so much.